Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to do a album share with you guys. So welcome to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and these are 8.5 by 11 interactive pages. I've been doing these now for probably about 4 years, but I'm been doing more of them here within the last year and a half, and I truly love these. All right, so you can pick up the tutorial that will teach you from start to finish, and there is decorating classes. We decorated this on my Facebook page, so I put those inside the tutorial. You can make either the 8.5 by binder pages, or you can make a folio that uses 2 of the style pages, or you can make this chipboard album that uses 4 of the page styles. And my interactive has 6 page styles. Okay, I will link the video down below where I done a complete walkthrough of both these albums. So when you purchase this tutorial, you get 3 projects, and it is reasonably priced. So go grab it. I'll put the link down below for you. All right. So I did decorate this with the Simple Stories Life in Bloom collection. And oh my gosh, it turned out so beautiful. So beautiful. And I used the 2 paper packs that went with it. And then all the embellishments, rub-ons, and yeah, we had a blast. All right. So like I said, these are in a 3D ring binder, and it is We Are Memory Keepers is what I use. It's a leather binder, and I really love this binder, and I know they're a little bit more expensive, but well worth it. All right. So right off the get-go here, we have a magnet that holds this all nice and tidy, and these flip open. And then you have a waterfall right here. And this type of album will hold well over 200, maybe even 250 photographs. Okay, so I know at least 200. I've never sat down and actually counted them. I just know from my previous albums that I've made. So you have a little photo mat here that just slides underneath this belly band. And I know this is going to be hard to keep on camera. Let me move that out of the way here. So you open it up, you have that. And then you have that. This is such beautiful paper. I couldn't resist doing an 8.5 by 11 interactive pages. And then that just sits right on top of there. So then on the back sides of each page style, I just decorated it up just like a normal scrapbook page, would be decorated. Okay. So here we have a little pocket, and we have some photo mats, and that holds everything nice and tidy. So then this flips open. Then this flips open. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? And then that flips open. And then these flip open. Beautiful. I truly love this album. Love this album. So then these just slide right back down in here. Okay. Then here's the back. Again, just scrapbooked up just like a normal, traditional scrapbook page. Then over on this side is where we have all the interactive stuff that we all love. So then we have a pocket here, and you have a couple of photo mats. And this keeps everything nice and tidy, and I love how that important peeks out. So then this opens up for this. And then these keep it all nice and tidy. Then this flips open. And we're going to scoot it over more because it flips open again. And then it flips open. You have a little text spot here. These are just tags from the collection, and I just added some embellishments to them. And then we have a pocket here. And this is the rub-ons from the collection. Ain't that beautiful? So vibrant. And that just slides back in that pocket. And then that opens up. Beautiful. And then that just closes. And then this flips. And again, just decorated it. I tried to match where these, were all kind of, matched up where I brought that color, and brought it over here as well. So here we have another pocket. This tags from the collection. So then this flips out, and this flips out, and then that flips, and I'm probably going to have to move it again. And then, so right here, you have another tuck spot for some tags. And then we had the sticker book that came with the collection, and so I done that. The colors of this collection are just amazing, amazing. And I do teach you how to, like I said, how to construct this from start to finish. So here, just a normal scrapbook page. Okay, and this is page style number 6. So that opens up, and I just kind of scrapbook that up. And then you have a place for photo, and then belly band. And it's a belly band here and a belly band here. It's a two-piece belly band. And then here is some more of the rub-ons from the collection. And that just slides underneath that belly band. And then that opens up. So lots of room for photographs. And you have 6 page styles. And all 3 projects give you, if you don't have a lot of photos, if you just have around 50 photos, a folio is nice. If you have around 100, 150, the chipboard mini album is nice. Or if you have a lot of photos, this is perfect. So here is just normally scrapped up. Then we have a little booklet here that opens up. And that opens up. And these open up. Beautiful. And that just holds everything nice and tidy. So let me scoot this over. So these flip up. This flips open. And then this flips open. Let me scoot this over. So then you have, excuse me. So then you have another place for tags. A little text spot. Beautiful. This collection is just amazing. Amazing. Then that just folds up like that. Then this little booklet holds everything nice and tidy. And then the back page, I haven't done anything. This is I leave this as a reflection page. So I reflect on all the photos that I put in the album, or a main picture that I want to put, but mainly it's to write about everything that's inside this album. All right. So this is my 8.5 by 11 interactive. Oops, I forgot to put these back in here. Interactive album. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of this. Like I said, you can go purchase the tutorial. I will put the link down below. And yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for spending your time with me. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss out. All right. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.